In 1998, my husband Hannes and I were involved with poultry farming on a large scale, in both breeding and laying farms. We were very aware of the importance of biosecurity in intensive farming operations. Our experience in chemical research led us to investigate the composition of existing poultry disinfectants and their efficiency. We identified the need for a completely new range of effective, broad-spectrum disinfectants, as it was clear to us that many pathogens were resistant to existing products and/or mutating. Consequently, we developed a new range of poultry disinfectants in conjunction with a major chicken producer. Whilst travelling through Africa, we identified a substantial need for formulating chemists with the ability to solve specific problems and to design and manufacture tailor-made products. We subsequently founded Manchem, which is an abbreviation for manufacturing chemists, in 2001. Manchem has become known for its problem-solving research capabilities and quality products. In a nutshell, we are simply science. We solve problems facing the poultry, dairy, industrial, waste and water industries by utilizing our experience and expertise and find appropriate solutions. We are a team of innovative chemists who continually develop formulations to kill bacteria and fungus. We also solve industrial problems such as scale buildup and corrosion. We use only biodegradable ingredients in our products. For instance, our degreasers, which are used to clean the decks of oil tankers and oil rigs, do not harm the ocean in any way. We wait for an order to come and then the wheel starts turning. First of all, we have to source the raw materials. And we're very particular where that is concerned. Quality is very important in our industry, and therefore we don't buy from anybody. We have preferred suppliers that we buy from that make sure that we get a quality product with a certificate of analysis to tell us what these specs are and that it adheres to what we need. Once the product arrives, we take a sample that is kept for a year with a specific batch number that we can trace back to the supplier. Because we're an ISO 9001 company, traceability is extremely important in our business. What that really means is that you can trace back a finished product right to its original raw materials and suppliers. And that we can do by taking retention samples of the finished product of each batch we make. So if there's ever a problem with a batch of product, we can trace it back to the original suppliers. Furthermore, we weigh all our products and label them accordingly so that we can link it back to the retention sample. We always rotate our stock to make sure that we use old stock first. All our mixers is fully trained in the use of these products and know what is safe and how they should treat these products, because a lot of our products are hazardous. The mixers has a recipe, if you want to call it that, and they then take the raw materials, weigh out the amounts that are needed for the product, and then mix the product according to specification. Once the product is made, a sample is taken to the quality lab, where the quality controller checks that it adheres to specs and make adjustments if needed. Once he approves the product, only then will it be packaged according to specification, clearly labelled, and then put on pallets for transportation and distribution. We offer not just a product to our customers, we actually offer a service. We go to the client and take swabs after they've used our product to make sure that it's actually doing what it's supposed to do. If we find that there is a buildup of a resistant strain, we can actually change the formula of the product to make sure that it kills that particular resistant strain at that particular client. When we started, we didn't want to get involved in the marketing of our products because we as chemists felt that we don't have the experience. So what we did is we actually used distributors to market our products on their labels and in their names. We found that eventually we had to address dealing with end users themselves because they actually came to us and said that they don't want to deal with a middleman, but with us directly. It's obviously more cost effective, and that started the process of branding our own products and labeling them, and luckily we had some help with the marketing consultant where that was concerned. All our waste is removed from this premises by a professional waste removal company. We also have a dedicated temperature controlled room for manufacturing organic disinfectants and food additives. Furthermore, we have designed specialized equipment to manufacture biocides, thus ensuring the safety of our employees. Manchem manufactures all their products according to the ISO 9001 traceability standards. All our products are checked, tested and approved by our quality control laboratory. As an additional support service, we continually carry out on-site audits and resistance checks for our biocidal products. We will adapt the formula when required. Our head office is in KwaZulu-Natal with warehouses in Johannesburg and Cape Town. A highlight for Manchem is the ability to remain sustainable by branching out into other industries besides poultry. We also export our products into Zambia, Zimbabwe and Angola. Our biggest asset was to build a well-trained team of staff and promoting from within those with potential into key positions. Some members of our team have been with us from inception. We have developed our own equipment to make application of our products not only easier, but more effective and safer. Our experience has taught us to safeguard our intellectual property and expertise. To stay competitive, we now market our products and services directly to the end user and therefore do not have to rely on distributors to market our products. The economic environment that affected the poultry industry negatively has consequently limited our product and service offering. Our vision is to be the supplier of choice in finding appropriate solutions to problems affecting the industries where our focus lies. Ultimately, we would like to become the preferred chemical consultants and advisors within various industries on the African continent. The main reason customers prefer Manchem is that we have a very fast problem-solving attitude towards client-specific problems. We research, formulate and deliver a very high-quality product within days because we do not have to cut through corporate red tape to assist the client.